That's a good shot too, but no, he hasn't got it hold. It's caught. I thought he got hold of it, he hadn't. And so that winds up the game for India then. And India are the victors by 22 runs here in Kolkata. That's a good shot. Just a little bit short from Matthew Hoggard. And all too easy it seems for Sachin Tendulkar. It's airborne but safe. Again, the cheers of the crowd. We hear plenty more of that through the rest of this day. Pull away firmly by Sourav Ganguly. It's going to be 4 runs. First time that either Gough or Hoggard have dropped anything short at him. It didn't really get up.
That's a good shot. On the up. There's been some good shots today. So Ganguly driving that. Oh.
That's in the air, but in the gap as well. That's slashed away hard by Tendulkar. The 50 comes up for India.
Progresses. The outfield is quick. There's no chance for that fielder in the end. For a moment, we thought he'll get there. Just too quick for him. Bowled him! And a stunned silence here at the Eden Gardens.
Tendulkar leaves the field for 36, 78 for 1.
It's up in the air, it's gone nowhere. Taken. So the England captain taking a catch to dismiss the Indian captain.
Ganguly's gone for 42, 95 for 2.
Oh, he's going to get his first boundary, is he? Yes. Ashley Giles, the third man boundary. Great timing by Laxman. 101 for 2, India.
That's a big hit. First 6, in fact the second 6 of the game. First hit by Ganguly. Now this one by Mongia. Slowly. Now there's example of that. Now that's beautifully played by Dinesh Mongia. The 50 partnership coming up.
Something.
Straight into the hands of mid-wicket. That's a simple chance, gleefully accepted.
He's gone for 25.
Oh, well bowled indeed by Darren Gough. That was a perfect delivery. First ball to Virender Sehwag. Chances gone begging. That's 50. 50 for Dinesh Mongia. He's played very well too. He's played some good shots. He's picked the slow deliveries well. Strike rate of 100. So a run a ball for Dinesh Mongia. It's a very good innings so far.
It's bowled him. Would you believe it? Slow ball. And that shot was all over the place.
He departs for 29. 193 for 4.
Beautiful hit. One bounce, 4 runs again. 2 men out there, long on and long off, but this completely bisected them. Got him this time, that's well bowled. That's a wonderful comeback from Jeremy Snape.
He's played well, Dinesh Mongia, in only his 5th one-day international, 71 for him, and India now 232 for 5.
That seems to have clipped leg stump or something. Jamie Foster appealing for the stumping. Bails off very quickly.
Third umpire, just have another look. Does he get back? No, he doesn't.
Above it. That should be out. Should be a red light coming on, and there is. That's the end of Ajit Agarkar. What? This is a final over then for Jeremy Snape. That's got to be very close. He was always under pressure. A desperate dive at the end.
Foster gathers the ball well, very well. He's gone.
Should be the end of Ajay Ratra, indeed it is. Again, the red light goes on. They're going to look for the second. Problems for Badani. That's a good throw. Badani was slow setting off. The assumption was that it was going to be his partner Harbhajan Singh who was going for the danger, and Harbhajan was sprinting away.
Badani, who's slow, he's looking to get back for the second. Very accurate throw from Hoggard. Good work again from Foster. No third umpire this time, but he's played very, very well, Badani.
Through to Jamie Foster. They're running through the throws over the top of the stumps. It's a bye with which to finish the innings. And India, I suspect, will be happy enough with that toe. Good shot, he's gone. First ball, Nick Knight is on his way. It's 1 for 1. Javagal Srinath has struck straight away. That target already looks yet tougher.
No hesitation from the umpire. Has to pitch in line. And go on and hit the stump. And he goes straight up. McKnight has gone, but the start England wanted. It's 1 for 1.
It's given. Leg before Nasser Hussain. Anil Kumble strikes for India. Huge delight among the crowd. Nasser Hussain was beginning to look dangerous, but he's gone.
Well, it's a full and straight delivery from Kumble, but it's a straight delivery. Takes a step down, misses the bat completely. Is it going down the leg side? The keeper is. I'm sure we'll have a good look at this one, but he's gone, Hussain. Got the finger of the umpire. 25 Hussain, England 64 for 2.
Not the right leg to play a sweep shot. Question asked, Hariharan says no, 73 for 2.
That's gone high. Into the lights and taken safely. Ajit Agarkar has taken the catch. Kumble gets his revenge. That's the same for Michael Vaughan. He just started to play nicely. Been playing quite sensibly in support of Marcus Trescothick. Trying to look over that leg side field a wee bit, a little bit straight even. The miscue comfortably taken.
Indeed a shame from England's point of view, because they were stitching together a pretty good partnership, these two. That's the wicket they needed. It's 123 for 3. 2 was just nudge it for singles, and that has really tested everybody. It's got away from everybody, including the keeper. There's a lot of turn on that one.
In the air, taken. Ganguly gets the wicket, Tendulkar the catcher. England lose their third wicket, in fact their fourth.
Well, smiles again for India. It's Tendulkar. Try and keep him out of the game for any length of time. They wanted India. England 184 for 4.
He's given. But I tell you what, I thought it pitched outside the leg stump. The first thing that came into my mind when the shout was made by Srinath is there is every chance that the ball has pitched outside leg stump. It's a good shot. Won't get too many though. And Flintoff, who I think is fallen short of that. He's had a desperate lunge for it, but just get the feeling. And Flintoff is gone. He wants to have another look, the third umpire. There the bails come off, and Andrew Flintoff well short. There it is. The death signal for Flintoff given.
He's given it. Harbhajan Singh takes the wicket. It's the end of Jeremy Snape. The umpires have been very quick in their decision making in this game. India taking wickets now at just the right time.
It's a wonderful over from Harbhajan, teasing over. This goes straight on. Is he in line or is he just outside? Wicket keeper drifts down the leg side. They've not lost one yet, India, these LBWs. they've been crucial. England now 233 for 7.
That's into the gloves. That's got him. Good catch from Ratra. Had to go low to his right. And Ajit Agarkar now has struck to put England further away from victory in this game. Jamie Foster just stretching a little wide out.
Just outside off stump from Agarkar. No great pace in this Indian attack, but lots of subtlety. It's a good catch by the keeper. He's been vocal all through this game, and it's a strike for Agarkar. The crowd's gone wild, and England now 244 for 8.
That's the end of Darren Gough. Very simple caught and bowled chance, accepted with huge joy by Ajit Agarkar. He's done the trick, he's bowled it straight. He's cut his pace down here in this final spell. Just made sure that he gets the lines right. Darren Gough out of sorts completely with the bat. India ever closer now to winning this game.
Agarkar cleans up. It's Darren Gough, a cheap wicket. It's a tame shot back to the bowler. Easy caught and bowled. 246 for 9.
That's a good shot too, but no, he hasn't got it hold. It's caught. I thought he got hold of it, he hadn't. And so that winds up the game for India then. Ashley Giles looking to hit over mid-off. Didn't get hold of it. The ball safely taken. And India are the victors by 22 runs here in Kolkata.